Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into one tiny yet powerful food that can truly transform your skin: flax seeds. If you're looking for natural ways to get glowing, smooth, and youthful skin, flax seeds might just be your new best friend. Stick around to learn how these amazing seeds can work wonders for your skin. First up, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are rich in ELA, a type of omega-3 that reduces inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main causes of redness, acne, and other skin issues. By including flax seeds in your diet, you're helping to calm inflammation and keep your skin looking clear and healthy. Plus, omega-3s help maintain your skin's moisture barrier, leaving it feeling soft and hydrated. Flax seeds are also high in lignans and antioxidants. These compounds fight free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage your skin cells and cause early aging. The antioxidants in flax seeds help protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. One lesser-known benefit is fiber. Flax seeds are packed with it. Fiber supports your digestion, helping to flush out toxins from the body. A healthy gut means healthier skin because when your body efficiently removes toxins, they don't show up on your skin as acne or dullness. Eating flax seeds can give you that inner glow by keeping your digestive system in check. Now, how can you include them in your diet? Try adding a spoonful of ground flax seeds to your smoothie, oatmeal, or even mix it in water. Ground flax is easier to digest, allowing your body to absorb all those amazing nutrients faster. And there you have it, a simple, natural way to achieve glowing, healthy skin just by adding flax seeds to your daily routine. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit.